Nicholas, can we look at our night chart? What time of the day is it? What time of the day is it? What time of the day is this? It's time to lay down. It's nighttime, right? And what is this? What is it? Tea. And what happens here? What happens here? Toys. And did we pick up our toys? Did we pick up our toys? See. And what else is on here? Did we read? Did we read the story about the bear? Did we read? Did we read today? See. And did we say our prayers? Did we say our prayers? Let me see you. Let me see you. How did you do when you said your prayers? We said our prayers. And did we say I love you? Alright, so what happens now? You get a what? Sticker. Sticker, good job.